dish to make. As two boiled eggs. I already put spice on my noodles. Then you're gonna take some. This is like if you were making wanting to have a filling meal. Take some broccoli. I boiled the broccoli and that. Then I'm gonna take some chicken. So that's how it's looking. I know it's full and then. So I'm so excited to eat this. And if it's very strong, you can also add cheese to make it more creamy, and then you can also add mayonnaise. Works best with mayonnaise though. Like this is a strong noodles I chose. I put two packets in. That's why it looks so full. Very hungry. Okay, just make it into strips. This is my brand coffee. Take the boiled egg and then make it into chunks. So that's how it's looking. Put it in there. And this is like a nice protein meal, and that like instead of like normally if you eat noodles it's not filling, you will still feel hungry, then you put it on bread. This is all your protein you're getting because there's chicken, there's like there's veggies, there's broccoli, and if you don't have chicken you can put it with beef, prawns. I've never tried it with prawns, but I want to make it with prawns. So yeah, this is like a nice meal on its own, and I'm gonna add chickpeas also. Damn. Damn, 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 damn. Let's take some mayonnaise. Not a lot. One. Let's give 2 scoops. 2 scoops will be fine. Yeah, I don't even know how to stir. Really, I don't know how to stir. So nervous. But like, let's give it a try. So good. It was so good. Please give it a try. So good.